So now we're going to buy barbecue because I'm craving for barbecue. Yes, but unfortunately I'm still battling with traffic. Actually, this is a rush hour traffic. So let me show you. There you go. Actually, okay na yan. Medyo chill pa, but yes. It's a rush hour, so a lot of people are... Okay, I'm gonna give you the way. Go ahead. Bye. So, ayan. Just really wanted to eat barbecue. Tenga isaw. Uy! Ano ba yan? Ano naman yan? Yan! Yan! But yes, I really do want to eat barbecue. I'm craving for barbecue. And because Valentine's is around the corner, see, there's a lot of selling flowers, teddy bears, and other stuff. There you go. Ooh, not bad. Ooh. Dami. And this side also, yeah. So see, it causes traffic. So that's the thing. But it's okay. I'm gonna be in the barbecue place like in 5 minutes. Or maybe 3, I guess. But just be safe. 5 minutes, yes. Just keep driving. Just keep driving. Yes. Soon, I'm reaching soon. I hope na wala masyadong bumibili because for sure oras na ng mga pagkain. Yes, dinner. Okay. So there you go. It's Fina's Barbecue here at Chrysanthemum. Yes, Fina's. So we'll see. That's cooking. Okay.
Kasi, diba? Okay.
So ayan, nakakuha na tayo ng barbecue. So let's go home. Ang daming pila oh. So yeah. Bye Fina's. Okay, let's go home and eat. Bye guys. Eating now while driving.